In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Adobe Acrobat. Many of us have experienced moments where a document's font is just too small to read comfortably, especially when working on detailed paperwork or following along with intricate diagrams. Adobe Acrobat, a popular PDF reader and editor, offers simple yet effective tools to help you manage the view of your documents so you can focus on the content without straining your eyes. To get started, once you've opened Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll typically see options to create a new document or to access documents you've recently worked on. For our purposes today, let's navigate to a document you've recently opened. This will allow us to dive straight into the zoom functionality without any delay. Now that you've opened a recent document, direct your attention to the top of your workspace. You'll be looking for an icon that resembles a magnifying glass. This is the Zoom In and Zoom Out tool. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to adjusting the size of your document for better readability and focus. The icon stands out, so you should be able to spot it fairly easily once you know what you're looking for. Once you've clicked on the magnifying glass, you'll notice a few options at your disposal. One of the most essential actions is simply clicking to zoom in. Each click will gradually enlarge the text and images, making them clearer and easier to see. If you've zoomed in too much or want to view more content on the page at once, you can zoom out by holding the Control key on your keyboard while clicking, or just using the designated Zoom Out option with the minus sign beside it. In Adobe Acrobat, there's an added benefit of being able to quickly adjust the zoom level to fit the page width, or to fit one whole page on your screen. This can be especially helpful when needing a full overview of a page or when working with design layouts. You'll find these additional settings in the same toolbar where the zoom control is located. A tip to enhance your workflow is to familiarize yourself with the zoom percentage display found in the bottom corner of your window. Knowing the exact zoom level can help you achieve a consistent view each time you open similar documents. Also, Adobe Acrobat features keyboard shortcuts that can further save time. For instance, Control plus the plus key for zooming in, or Control plus for zooming out. Zooming efficiently on Adobe Acrobat not only enhances readability, but also improves your overall productivity, ensuring that you can focus on your tasks without unnecessary interruptions. Thanks for joining this tutorial today. I hope it empowers you to use Adobe Acrobat with even more confidence. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.